Thanks, Tom. Well, 5 years ago, several South Bay high schools included artificial turf in a project to upgrade their athletic fields. And it was a wise decision, as ABC 7 News reporter David Louie explains from Fremont High in Sunnyvale.
The Field of Dreams at Fremont High School is no longer grass. The grass has been replaced with artificial turf on the football field, a footprint of just over 1.6 acres. One baseball field also has artificial turf, while another is half grass and half artificial. The same has been done at the district's 4 other high schools, creating a major savings in water use.
It's a big savings for our district and community. It's a nearly 42% decrease in the amount of water our district uses, and that's over 300,000 gallons of water per year.
Players say the transition to artificial turf was easy. In fact, freshman baseball outfielder Hamlet Ismarian discovered another water-saving benefit, a spillover effect that isn't obvious at first.
It doesn't mess up your clothes as much. It doesn't just feel weird.
That saves on laundry bills. That means that's saving water, too.
Yeah, it also saves a lot of water because it's not even actual grass.
The Fremont High women's softball field is still grass. The brown spots give it away, reflecting how watering has been reduced to only once a week. The school district is considering ways now to meet the governor's new mandate to cut water use by 25%.
We're looking for ways that we can tighten our belts. And if there's ways that we can do it, we will do it, because we want to do what we can to be good stewards in our community.
The district is looking at additional ways to cut down water use, including drought-resistant landscaping. In Sunnyvale, David Louie, ABC 7 News.
We're getting some rain, but clearly not enough.
No, not enough, but boy, we'll take